To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located under the passenger side cowling. Remove the first 5 pins on the left to have enough space to access the cabin air filter. Use a flathead screwdriver to push in on the middle of the clip. Doing so will allow you to pry off the base. Lift the cowling and remove the old filter from the housing. Clean out any debris in the housing. Install your new AQ1057 filter into the housing. Install the filter with the little tab on the left facing forward. When the filter is fully inserted, you can press down on the tab to hook it to the catch. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the cowling. Reinstall the clips by pushing in on the middle so it is raised. This allows the bottom of the clip to fit through the hole. Then press to lock it in. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.